Welcome back for another one of our weekly luxury property tours. Today, we're looking at a beautiful Los Angeles mansion that is listed for $29,950,000 and has gorgeous finishes all the way around. Please like, comment, and subscribe so you can catch us on the next property tour. The great room has a dining area, magnificent open kitchen with black pure granite surfaces, and a sitting space with a fireplace. Through a wall of Fleetwood glass doors, amazing panoramic views of downtown and Century City may be seen. The upper level's spectacular principal suite has a private balcony and a spa-like bathroom with Antolini Panda Dalmata stone slabs. A double-height glass stairway connects to this level. A rooftop terrace, 5-car showroom, in addition to the upper 2-car garage, and 7+ secured off-street parking are just a few of the numerous extras. Discover total magnificence by entering. Your future is at hand. A game area, wine cellar, cinema, bar, and fitness center with a hot and cold plunge pool, dry sauna, and steam room are all located below. This brand new contemporary refuge, designed by Roman James Design, is quietly situated behind a series of gates above the illustrious Chateau Marmont. It is finished with opulent facilities and excellent finishes. The indoor flows seamlessly outside to an infinity pool, spa, 2 fire pits, and a built-in barbecue area.